For the first time, Indian officials will be able to examine middleman Guido Hashke during the ongoing proceedings in an Italian court. The explosive revelations of Hashke detailing the payoffs made to politicians, bureaucrats and military personnel in India have already created quite a storm. And finally, today, India is likely to get some direct answers.
Latest revelations on 3,700 crore VVIP chopper scam kicking up a storm. But the government once again choosing to duck, dodge and evade the uncomfortable questions.
Sir, anything on this Hashke incident in Milan?
This is a visit of a foreign VIP. Sir, please.
Italian prosecutors have revealed in court how two middlemen had prepared a kickbacks budget, apparently to pay off politicians, bureaucrats and military personnel in India to the tune of 51 million euros. Irrefutable evidence in the form of notes of the middleman in the multi-crore scam details the kickbacks meant for various politicians and government departments that would have swung the VVIP chopper deal in their favour. The whole picture will only come to light when a team of Indian investigative officials question middleman Guido Hashke in an Italian court in Milan later today. But the aftershocks of Hashke's explosive notes are already being felt in the corridors of power in India.
These are terrific and very important revelations, and none other by the person who budgeted it and who implemented it.
But this is alarming. You see, budget was prepared for kickbacks. This is an alarming situation.
The Defence Ministry is expected to scrap the Augusta-Westland chopper deal after allegations of wrongdoing. But there is no indication that the government is taking steps to uncover the money trail and reach the beneficiaries of Choppergate.
We have no hesitation in discussing anything, but it must be discussed in the House.
Times Now tracked Choppergate all the way to Italy, tracking every step of the investigation. And once again, your channel will be at the forefront to uncover one of India's biggest defence deal scams. Bureau Report, Times Now.